Hey everybody, my name is Karina, welcome back. Growing up, we were so used to eating sopita de fideo con carne. It was one of my mom's go-to dishes. It was perfect for a cold day, during the summer also when it's super hot. You know your parents want to make caldos, sopas. So let me show you how to make this delicious sopita de fideo con carne. Cheers! For this recipe, I'm gonna set my pan to medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. Oil is hot. I'm gonna add the meat and I'm using 1 pound of ground beef. We start breaking it down and we add 3 minced garlic cloves, half of a small white onion, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix and cook until the meat has fried. It's been 7 minutes, our meat is ready. This is how I want it, and now I'm gonna turn off the heat and set it to the side. Now it's time to work on our salsa. To the blender cup, I'm gonna add 3 Roma tomatoes, quarter of a white onion, 1 garlic clove, small piece of a jalapeño, 4 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, and 1 cup of water. And we blend. Now I'm gonna use 1 potato that I'm gonna peel and dice. And I'm also gonna use half of a zucchini. I set my pot to low-medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. I'm gonna add 1 bag of fideo. Fry for about a minute or until fideo is golden. Then we add the potato, fry it for about a minute, and add in the salsa. Give it a mix, and we're also gonna add 6 cups of hot water. Stir it, and this is a perfect time to check for chicken bouillon or salt. For me, this is just right. Next, we add 1 carrot, and we also add in the meat. Make sure to remove any excess oil if needed. Give it a stir. We cover it up and cook for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, and we're gonna check on our soup. Look at guys, that looks so delicious. Now we're gonna add in the calabacita. I'm using half of a zucchini and a small bunch of cilantro. Give it a stir and continue cooking for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Our sopa de fideo is now ready. Look at how delicious this looks. This is perfect for this cold weather. My kids love this sopita. They could eat this every day. And now I'm gonna serve myself a bowl. Oh, my mouth is watering. Con tapatio y limoncito. Okay guys, my favorite part, growing up, this is what we had. My sons love it, and when they get back from school, they're gonna be super excited. Cheers. Honestly, it's super delicious. This is such an easy meal to make. You can also make it with sopa de letras, sopa de conchitas, whatever soup you have. The process is the same. And there you have it, delicious sopa de fideo con carne. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!